We're having a dance competition between us. We're seeing who can do the best thumka.
You're supposed to give sound effects, no?
Okay.
Only for you.
Okay, fine. I'll give sound. That's all. Huh? Whoa, I'll show.
Oh, this is extra.
Saw this hand movement and all. This is Kaliya, you know. Oh, he. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I fucked up. Do it again.
1, 2, 3, go. Whose is better? Let me know in the comments.
Oh, I was doing it wrong till now.
Bro, she's doing this like a child. Independence Day dancer doing.
Yes.
What's up, my lovely Bobbies? Look at Chef Nags eating my lunch. Today is Sunday and she came home to train with me, but we got delayed by a bit because I got caught up with my latest YouTube upload. So we are eating lunch first and then we might hit the gym. Might. There's no confirmation yet. You think you can finish the entire thing?
No chance.
No chance? It's only 750-800 calories. Come on. Usually your meal plus dessert is more than that, chef. Okay, madam, lunch is done. All in all, rate my lunch on a scale of 1 to 10. Ignore the fact that I forgot to salt it.
9.5. Very nice meal.
Now, what do?
We go to the mall.
Mall? Mall does not sound like gym.
We'll walk in the mall.
Alright, Bobbies, we're now going to Phoenix Mall to do some window shopping.
No, you said you'd buy me something.
Why should I buy you something?
You said it yourself.
Okay, fine. Guys, I want to buy her something small, okay? After that, I might just go to Nishok's house to watch the match. Today is India-South Africa match, right? Bobbies, we've reached Phoenix Mall and looks like there's a concert today. You can see a lot of people dressed in fancy clothes, coming for a concert, sneaking in drinks.
Yeah, we saw one guy just stuff a drink into his socks.
Here we are at Zara, wearing Jethalal outfit, bruv. Does my Jethalal outfit look better now?
No.
Still looks the same?
Yeah.
Do we like this or do we not like it? I don't know.
It has an open back.
Okay, so that's for like a fancy night out.
Yes. Date night.
At this point, I do more dates with boys than with you, so I don't think it's of any use. Hurry up, madam. I have to go watch the match. I like this. I also like the price tag. Only 950 rupees. Guys, shopping done. We bought 2 tops from Zara. And guess how much I had to pay? Yeah, we bought 2 tops from Zara and guess how much I had to pay? I had to pay only 70 rupees because Shefali had a gift voucher for 1600. Thanks, chef.
Not fair, bro. The one day I have the chance to buy whatever the fuck I wanted.
You'll wear these tops and think of me only, no?
No! I think of Amanda, the girl who gave me the gift voucher.
Oh, she gave you the voucher.
Yeah.
Nice, Amanda. Thanks for making this affordable experience for me. Guys, now it makes sense. Anuv Jain is performing.
I want to watch now.
That's why all the kids. Anuv Jain is performing. This is box office. You can buy tickets right now. You want to go?
I'm dressed like I should go to sleep, so I think we'll go to sleep.
And now it makes sense, bro. Why all 19, 20-year-olds are here? Obviously, we've decided to have something at Harley's. So which Meadowwick are we leaning towards? I don't know if I'm feeling chocolate. Do you want to do blueberry cheesecake?
We can do.
Let's do this.
Yeah, let's.
Brother, 1 blueberry cheesecake, please. Yeah, that's about it. Good enough, no?
Yeah.
Bro, you look amazing in this lighting. Until you make that face. You know, whenever you pose, you look bad. You look the best when you're candid. Thank you, brother. Blueberry cheesecake, Meadowwick, and a macaroon. Let me see if this macaroon is any good. Not bad, chef. Try this. Not bad at all.
Lovely.
Hana? I think that was the second best macaroon that I've eaten. First is Laudre. Second is this Harley's. Third might just be
Smooth.
Smoor. And the worst is going to be Paul. Now time to try this Meadowwick. Blueberry cheesecake Meadowwick. Nice, huh? Let's see, bro. Oh, lovely. This is what Lupa's cheesecake used to taste like. And then they took it off the menu. I don't know why they would do that. Lupa, if you're watching this, anybody from Lupa watching this, please bring back your blueberry cheesecake. We really enjoyed it. Bobbies, we've now come to Miniso because Shefali wants to buy me a mug, a Barbie mug. We saw this in Delhi, Bobbies.
Dude, I also want one. It's so nice.
It's amazing. I love it. It's 500 rupees. Looks nice.
What will you drink in it if I buy it for you?
Water. Pre-workout.
Nice.
Imagine drinking pre-workout from a Barbie mug.
Do you think it's worth us buying it?
It is. There are no defects, right? Because the one we saw in Delhi had some or the other manufacturing defect. Alright, Bobbies, I am sending off Shefali to her home. She's taking the metro. I'll now go to Nishok's house. Any last words?
If I was a gold digger, I would have asked for a cab.
Say bye.
Bye guys, click out of the video right now.
Don't. Stay for me. I'm on my way to Nishok's house and there's a lot of traffic in the area because of course Anuv Jain is performing. Thousands of people have come from across Bangalore. Some have taken the metro. Many have come through their own transport. So yeah, the roads are packed. It usually takes me only 7-8 minutes to get to Nishok's house, but today is gonna take me upwards of 20 minutes. We've reached Bobby's. Now let's park and meet up with Nishok. I believe he's downstairs itself. I think he's walking Luna, his dog Luna. So we shall walk Luna first, then go watch the match. Also, there's one important thing I need to do. The reason I've come to meet Nishok is obviously to watch the match, but also because we need to call Kavin. Today is his birthday, bros. Say hi to Luna, guys. Oh, okay. She'll say hi first. Okay, chill. You should come to my area. All the Anuv Jain baddies are there. All your age only. 20 to 22.
All your age, bro. You are my age.
Bobbies, before we go watch the match, Nishok wants to finish 3 sets of triceps.
What do you think, Bobby's? How does it look?
Looks good only. Lighting is insane here, bro. His apartment gym lighting is insane. But you guys remember the problem with his apartment gym? There are no cables to train triceps. So I am teaching Nishok a new movement which is called as the Smith Machine JM Press. This will bias your lateral head of the tricep. Hold.
Free
coaching.
Free coaching.
Come, I'll show them. I'll teach you all also how to do it. If you're training at a gym where there are no cables and you want to hit the triceps, mostly the lateral and the medial delt, this is probably the best exercise that you can do. Your thumb should be touching your front delt and you should lie down. And when you lie down, the bar should be directly in line with your palm. So then you grab this, unrack it, and then you do this. Fuck, bro.
It's killer.
It's killer exercise, but I do program it for people who don't have cables at the gym. Alright, it's now time to call Kavin and wish him happy birthday. Let's go. FaceTime him.
Yes, boss.
Boss man, happy birthday.
Who's that guy, bro?
Who's that guy? Gandu. Man asked who's that guy.
Happy birthday. Thanks. Who are you?
Who am I? Big man, da. Done with the workout, guys. We just had to do 3 sets of triceps. You didn't knock.
Fuck you, bro.
Okay, let's go. I didn't hit you.
Happened the second time.
I knocked, boss. I didn't hit you, otherwise you would have gone to heaven. Guys, last time I did this so hard like this.
Bro, he went like this, okay? I shot like my eye.
Alright, Bobbies, watching the match in Nishok's room. Another thing that you guys need to note is Nishok's TV, the colors are messed up. It's only green, blue and purple. What are you eating?
Baked peanuts.
That's crazy. I'm eating my dabba. I cut the video and we lost 2 wickets back to back. What the fuck, bro? What is it looking like, bro?
Looking really tough, bro. But we have enough batting, bro.
Bro, but 5 for 2 is insane.
Yeah, 5 for 2 is insane. They were also like 55 for like 3 or 4 or something like that. But
Yeah, bro, 5 wickets down. 1 more wicket and we can leave. There's no point watching after this.
so if we lose, so we're out, is it? I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah, we were googling this. If we lose today, do we still have a chance? Come here. Yeah, come.
The ground hard to judge as a fielder.
What?
Oh, bro's trying to like kiss and all. Yeah, enough, bro.
Yeah, I know you like me. Luna, gone no match. Over. India lost. Bobbies, India lost. We are sad. We were expecting a nice thrilling match, but what to do? Anyways, we are now driving towards Indiranagar. Why? Because we want some Alishan.
You want some Alishan?
I want some Alishan, and Nishok has not eaten dinner, by the way. So I gave him 2 options. We either go to Fraser Town or we go to Indiranagar. He's like, let's just go to Alishan. We know for a fact it's going to be good. So on our way to Indiranagar, let's go get our Alishan and chill for a bit. Alishan order has been placed, Bobbies. We're now going to the walk-in street. You want to do pre-dinner dessert?
Bro, not at this place, bro.
No, we'll only get the gelato. You've not had the gelato here. Gelato is nice here. We can get one scoop and share. Bobby's, we're at Levin Bakehouse and we're getting a gelato. This is the one scoop that we've opted for. How is it? Good, huh? This is gelato, by the way, and they have crushed some pieces of chocolate cake into it. Guys, their chocolate cake is mid, but in the gelato form, it's insane. Yeah, this is very enjoyable. Nice it is. Alright, Bobby's done with pre-dinner dessert. Now let's go get Alishan.
Imagine he said it's not ready.
Hey, it should be ready, bro. He does take 20 minutes though.
Yeah, I think it's ready, bro.
Almost ready, bro. Bobby's, here's our 3 plates Alishan tikka. You know, an old client of mine texted me recently saying, Mohit, stop saying Alishan, 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 you're coming in my dreams. Seriously, bro. Oh, bro.
Insane, huh?
Top tier. Bro, the rumali with this goes insanely well. Top, right? Bro, 3 plates Alishan tikka with rumali roti, 469 rupees, bro. What is
Worth.
an insane value?
Worth.
Right?
Yeah.
Insane value, super tasty, and high protein. Guys, Nishok and I are planning to do this punching thingy. Bro, this Bobby has been punching like, you know, he's trying to hit his ex or some shit, bro. He's punching crazy.
I think he was going for it.
Bro, that was a solid hit, bro.
Yeah,
You think you can hit harder than that?
No, I
Bro, I don't think mine will land that good.
for it, bro.
He got 1000, bro. See, he got 1000.
Hey, what's up? How are you?
That's crazy, Nishok
fucking
fans.
time.
Saw that, guys. Nishok fans.
Yeah, Bobby's
Full fans everywhere.
full fan, bro.
Alright, guys, Nishok is going first.
I think first try, I just gotta take it light, bro. Light.
We're wearing a glove because somebody broke the glass with their hand. So let's not risk that.
Yeah.
Take it easy, bro. Aim for accuracy. Try to punch in the center.
Yeah.
You have to punch it, not push it, okay?
Okay.
Punch it. You can't do like this. It's a foul. If you
Okay.
push, it's a foul. If you hit the board, it's also a foul, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I shouldn't hit the board.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Come on, Sisya, let's go. Come on, bro. Yo, you missed it. I think
I didn't
accuracy
miss, I
was
didn't
bad.
miss. I didn't miss, bro.
No, I don't think you got it very accurate.
Really?
Yeah, it's not crossing 1000.
Ball slip.
Ball
Yeah.
slipped, yeah. 900. My chance.
Also a good punch, actually.
That was a good punch. You missed a
I
little.
didn't go like full hard, but.
Hey, he has more in him, huh?
This
I'm getting this, boys. I'm getting 1000 this time. I'm getting 1000, bro.
You got to know the trick, bro.
I'm getting 1000 this time, bro.
You got to know the trick
Come on,
before
bro,
I
come
did.
on, come on,
It's
come
not
on.
fair.
Come on.
Yeah.
Again cross, huh? Hey, shit. It's supposed to hit straight, bobbies. I'm beating 700 at least. Yeah, Nishok, fuck you. Yeah, fuck you. Oh, yo, 994, da. Almost.
Chill. Do we have one more?
No, we're done.
We're done?
4. Unless you want to pay 1 round.
Okay, I'm paying one round.
Bro, give discount, bro, please. Come on, Nishok, let's go. You got this. Center punch. Bro, great shot, bro.
This is it.
This was a great one, bro. This is going 2000, bro. This is going over 9000, bro. Nishok. You got the reference. Dragon Ball Z.
Yo, there's no way that this is not going.
Yo,
Oh,
Nishok.
shit.
Yo, Nishok is not stopping only, bro. The eating doesn't stop, Bobbies. We're now getting a Berliner here at Levin Bakehouse. Go for it, Nishok. Nutella Berliner.
Bro, it's so soft. See?
Yeah, it's soft, but I'm sure it's going to be very heavy, dense, and overly sweet as well. Huh?
I love Nutella, so it's an A1 for me. I think it'll be way too sweet for you.
Way too sweet for me. Let's see. Too sweet. All right, Bobbies. Say bye to Baddie Nishok.
Bye, Bobby.
Dropping him off. Unfortunately, India didn't win today, but happy birthday to Kavin though.
Yeah, happy birthday, Kavin.
Happy birthday, Kavin. Yeah, I know you're watching this. The reason we ate so many sweets today is because we were celebrating your life. That's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.